Alright guys, so this is do a quick little review on the T-Spec. This is a 4-gauge wiring kit designed for 1500 watts, 4-gauge, really nice RCAs in here, mini A&L fuse, comes with basically everything you're going to need, and I'll show you some of the wires in here. This is a 4-gauge OFC, so oxygen-free copper. This is not a CCA kit that's going to corrode on you 6 months to a year from now. Good quality, reasonably priced. Not too expensive. Average retail price on these are between $80 to $100 for this kit. Some places a little bit more. That's for the price. This is probably the best kit on the market, I feel, for the price. The quality feels a lot better than some of the other stuff, and some of the other stuff I've seen that's, guys call it OFC, isn't really OFC. I'm not kidding you. I've opened some of these off-brand kits that say OFC on them, and it doesn't feel like OFC. It doesn't look like OFC. I'm gonna guarantee you it's CCA, and these guys are just getting stuff made in China for them and branding it and putting it on a package. These are actually made by METRA Electronics. That's who owns T-Spec. So good, reputable company out of Florida. So another American company as well. So let me open some stuff up here and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I already slipped the safety stuff back here. We're gonna open it from the bottom. It just personally it's easier on these kits to do this. So boom, there she is. So again, got a nice set of RCAs here in the package. Got good tips. Good quality RCAs. This is their V8 power kit. So, see if it'll focus on that. There we go. Kind of, there we go. Good quality RCA tips. Good feel, very flexible. Nice 17 foot of RCAs. We've got our power and ground wire with the fuse. Fuse is already installed on it for you also, so it makes life easy. 4-gauge rings already crimped on the power and already crimped on the ground. So all you got to do is, if your amp needs 4 terminals, basically put on the other end. Otherwise, just strip it back, put it in your amp, or cut it to length and put it in your amp. So very, very nice there. Fuse holder here. Again, mini A&L, nice little logo on it. These are a crush ring on here. They're not Allen key. They can be a little frustrating if you have to take them off, but they do hold the wire really good. So also what's nice about their fuse holders, you kind of look at the bottom of these, see if I can get it in here, kind of right here on the screw downs. You can screw it in, or they actually made the slits kind of long on these. Kind of see it right there a little bit. So it's really easy to slide even a zip tie through those, unlike a lot of fuse holders. So you can get a nice wide zip through that wiring. It is 17 foot of power wire, 3 foot of ground, standard remote turn-on wire, nothing crazy there. And then you do get your grommet, 4 terminals, some zips, a little fork for your remote turn-on, butt connector. Again, pretty much standard with any 4-gauge power kit, but just good quality here. So kind of show you some of those specifications that are there. But 17 foot of power, 3 foot of ground, 17 foot of turn-on, 17 foot RCAs, mini A&L holder, and it comes with that 100 amp mini A&L fuse. So if you're looking for a really good 4-gauge kit that's economical, under $100 normally, just look at this kit by far. So also marine rated wire. So again, good quality, marine compliant wire. This is not some of the cheap stuff that you'll see out there. So check it out, guys. Awesome kit. The only thing I would probably say about this kit that it does not include, that some people get a little frustrated at, is speaker wire. It doesn't come with speaker wire, it doesn't come with wire loom, but realistically those are relatively cheap anywhere. So you don't really need it. Most people upgrade their speaker wire anyways. If you're doing a woofer, you know, 12 gauge, you know, some 14 gauge, some 10 gauge, some 8 gauge power wire, stuff like that. So speaker wire, buy it separate. That's the only thing I can give you guys a heads up on that one. So peace. Keep watching.